Cannabidiol, or CBD, is a compound found in hemp and marijuana that doesn't cause a high. Some studies show that CBD can help treat anxiety and insomnia.
CBD can help create more stress resilience, which is something I noticed in myself when, after days or weeks of using it, I suddenly had a realization, wow, I'm not really reacting to things the way that I used to, which what happens when you're not emotionally reacting? You're actually present in your life and you're able to enjoy your life more.
If you'd like to try using CBD to help you sleep at night, get CBD edibles or some CBD oil in tincture form. Avoid vaping or smoking CBD to help you sleep, since the effects will wear off too quickly. Always buy your CBD products from a reputable manufacturer that offers a certificate of analysis, which will show you how much CBD you're actually getting. Start with a dose of around 25 to 30 milligrams and slowly increase how much you're taking as needed. Take your CBD in the evening before you go to bed. Talk to your doctor before you start using CBD as a sleep aid to make sure it's safe and won't interfere with any medications you're taking.